Hey, crazy truckers. Keeping the house clean and tidy is one of those things we all like, as long as it doesn't take too much work, right? The problem is that the dirtier and messier it is, the more difficult it is to reach the optimal state. That happened to me with the bikes. Between my bike and the children's bikes, they took a lot of room and they were becoming a real nuisance. A few months ago, I found a device to hang the bikes from the ceiling in one of the largest hardware stores in the city. I already knew the hooks to hang them on the wall, but in my current situation, that solution was not possible. So I bought one of those devices just to try. I still didn't have the children's bikes, but I had a feeling that it could be useful in a not too distant future. So after a few months, I decided to install it. The ceiling of my house is very high, an old house that in its highest part the ceiling measures about 30 feet. And since the ceiling is made with vaults, I was not sure where to install it. I was a little scared to install it in the vault, so although I was aware of the difficulties in drilling the concrete, I opted to install it in the beam. And instead of using a few large diameter holes, I decided on several small diameter holes, like 3-4 millimeters. I'm not going to fool you, it wasn't easy, but it worked. And the result was so good that I decided to do it with all the bikes. The process of rising and lowering the bikes takes about 5 minutes. You have to be a little careful so the hooks do not slip from the handlebar or the saddle. But thanks to the pulley system and a safety brake that prevents the bike from falling, the process is really child's play. Now I can enjoy a cleaner and more organized house, and I can use the bikes whenever I feel like it. The system is valid for lower ceilings as well, but if your ceiling measures less than 15 feet, perhaps your best option is wall hooks like this. You can even hang more than one bike at once. In this case, I use it to hang this huge ladder. I didn't know where else to put it. For this other system, you need a clear wall. You don't have to worry about hitting your head with the bike. Smell you later.
Smell you later.